guys, Steve Wolbach, your friendly public adjuster. Today I wanted to talk about windstorms, hurricanes, tornadoes, things along those lines, and the damage they cause to your home, the damage they cause to your property. Do you know when you get hit by these, most policies will provide coverage for all the different things that ensue afterwards. We'd have to look at the specific policy, the details there, but more often than not, you will have coverage within that policy. I can determine that very quickly. And by doing so, it will help us to provide the proper representation for you during a claims process. So I would ask you, if you've had any damage, reach out to me. Give me a call, let's talk about this, and let's see what we need to do to get you restored back to what is known as a pre-loss condition. As I say, this is focusing on storms, so hurricane, tornado, windstorms, which those are all part of, right? And then when you have these rains that are accompanied by that, so the wind will open or create an opening in your roof or in the siding somewhere. The water gets in and then creates all sorts of other damage. That's what we can help you with. There's where you need to call us. Let us come out, we take a look, we will do an inspection of your property to see just what the extent of damage there is. And of course, after reviewing your policy, we'll know exactly what limits you have, what conditions we need to comply with. That's how a public adjuster can help you. We will represent your claim and make sure that you get paid the maximum you can, provided the limits within the policy. Guys, I hope that made some sense to you. If you would you please give me a thumbs up? Would you also then share this with others? And would you subscribe to my channel? I look forward to bringing more videos out to you. And as more come out, if you subscribe to the channel, you'll be notified and you can take a look at them. Thank you very much for listening. Have yourselves a beautiful day. God bless you.